Why can't I log into my Yahoo Mail account? Have you ever found yourself staring at your computer screen, trying to access your email, only to be met with frustration? You are not alone. Many users encounter issues when trying to log into their Yahoo Mail accounts. Let's take a closer look at some common reasons why this might happen and how you can resolve these issues. First, one of the most frequent problems is entering the wrong password. It is easy to forget or mistype your password, especially if you have not logged in for a while. If you suspect this might be the case, try resetting your password by following the prompts on the Yahoo Mail login page. Another possibility is that your account may be temporarily locked due to multiple failed login attempts. Yahoo has security measures in place to protect your account, and if it detects unusual activity, it may restrict access. If this happens, you can usually regain access by waiting a short period or following the instructions provided by Yahoo. Additionally, check if your internet connection is stable. A weak or intermittent connection can prevent you from logging in. Ensure that your device is connected to the internet and try refreshing the page. Sometimes, browser issues can also play a role. If you are using an outdated browser or have accumulated too many cookies and cache data, it may hinder your ability to log in. Try clearing your browser's cache or using a different browser altogether. Lastly, consider whether there are any ongoing service outages with Yahoo. Occasionally, the platform may experience technical difficulties that affect user access. You can check Yahoo's official social media accounts or websites that track service outages to see if this is the case. By understanding these common issues, you can take the necessary steps to regain access to your Yahoo Mail account. Remember, troubleshooting can often lead to a quick resolution, allowing you to get back to your important emails in no time.